Question number 1. The first movement of the fetus felt by the mother is called. Right option is A. Quickening. Question number 2. Which hormone is primarily responsible for maintaining pregnancy? The right option is B. Progesterone. Question number 3. Which hormone stimulates uterine contraction during labor? The right option is B. Oxytocin. Question number 4. Which vitamin is crucial in preventing neural tube defects in the fetus? The right option is B. Folic acid. Question number 5. Which condition is characterized by high blood pressure, proteinuria, and edema during pregnancy? Correct answer is C. Preeclampsia. Question number 6. Which fetal presentation is considered normal for delivery? Right option is C. Cephalic. Question number 7. Which fetal membrane is responsible for producing amniotic fluid? Right option is B. Amnion. Question number 8. What is the normal weight gain during pregnancy for a woman with a normal BMI? Right option is C. 11 to 16 kilogram. Question number 9. When does the neural tube close during fetal development? Right option is B. Fourth week. Question number 10. Which condition occurs when the placenta partially or completely covers the cervix? Right option is A. Placenta previa. Question number 11. Which hormone helps in the relaxation of pelvic ligaments during pregnancy? Correct option is B. Relaxin. Question number 12. What is the term for the softening of the cervix during pregnancy? The right option is C. Goodell sign. Question number 13. Which trimester is most critical for fetal organ development? The right option is A. First trimester. Question number 14. Which hormone is responsible for milk production after childbirth? The right option is C. Prolactin. Question number 15. At how many weeks of gestation is a pregnancy considered full term? Right option is D. 39 weeks. Question number 16. Which fetal blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the placenta to the fetus? Right option is B. Umbilical vein. Question number 17. Which test is commonly used to detect fetal abnormalities in early pregnancy? Correct option is A. Amniocentesis. Question number 18. What is the most common cause of maternal mortality during pregnancy? Right option is B. Hemorrhage. Question number 19. Which fetal lie is most favorable for normal delivery? Right option is C. Longitudinal. Question number 19. When does the fetus begin to develop a detectable heartbeat? Right option is C. 6 weeks. Question number 20. What is the term for the past stool passed by a newborn? Correct option is A. Meconium. Question number 21. Which part of the female reproductive system is responsible for implantation? Correct option is C. Uterus. Question number 22. Which vaccine is recommended during pregnancy to protect against neonatal tetanus? Right option is C. Tetanus toxoid. Question number 23. Which pregnancy hormone helps relax the uterine muscles to prevent contractions? Right option is B. Progesterone. Question number 24. Which condition is characterized by seizures in a pregnant woman with preeclampsia? Correct option is B. Eclampsia. Question number 25. At how many weeks a pregnancy considered postpartum? Correct option is C. 42 weeks. Question number 26. Which term describes the descent of the fetal head into the pelvis before labor? Correct option is B. Engagement. Question number 27. Which part of the placenta is responsible for nutrient and gas exchange? Correct option is B. Chorionic villi. Question number 28. Which part of the fetus is first assessed for presentation during a vaginal examination? The right option is A. Head. Question number 29. What is the most common site of fertilization? The right option is C. Fallopian tube. Question number 30. Which condition occur when the umbilical cord slips through the cervix before the baby? Correct option is A. Cord prolapse. Question number 31. Which type of twins results from the fertilization of two separate eggs? Correct answer is B. Dizygotic. Question number 32. What is the term for the normal shedding of the uterine lining after childbirth? Correct option is B. Lucia. Question number 33. Which phase of labor involves the delivery of the placenta? Correct answer is C. Third stage. Question number 34. Which term refers to the thinning of the cervix before delivery? Right option is B. Effacement. Question number 35. What is the most common cause of postpartum hemorrhage? Correct option is A. Uterine atony. Question number 36. Which hormone prevents uterine contraction in early pregnancy? Right option is B. Progesterone. Question number 37. Which condition is a common cause of postpartum infection? Right option is B. Endometritis. Question number 38. Which fetal blood vessel carries deoxygenated blood to the placenta? Right option is D. Umbilical artery. Question number 39. Which maternal position is prepared to improve fetal circulation? Correct option is C. Left lateral. Question number 40. Which term describes the bluish discoloration of the cervix in early pregnancy? Correct option is A. Chadwick sign. Question number 41. Which hormone is responsible for maintaining pregnancy in the first trimester? Correct option is C. HCG. Question number 42. Which part of the fetal skull allow for overlapping during labor? Correct option is A. Fontanelles. Question number 43. What is the normal range of amniotic fluid index AFI in pregnancy? Correct option is B. 8 to 18 centimeter. Question number 44. Which fetal presentation increases the risk of a cesarean section? Correct option is C. Break. Question number 45. What is the major cause of anemia in pregnancy? Correct option is C. Iron deficiency. Question number 46. Which hormone is responsible for milk production after childbirth? Correct option is D. Prolactin. Question number 47. Which fetal presentation is least favorable for vaginal delivery? Right option is D. Transverse. Question number 48. Which sign is an early indication of pregnancy? Right option is C. Amenorrhea. Question number 49. Which stage of labor involves the delivery of the baby? Correct option is B. Second stage. Question number 50. Which term refers to the descent of the fetal head into the pelvis before labor? Correct option is D. Lightning.